Hi traders, hope you had a great trading week. I'm on the Aussie Yen daily chart, got my monthly, weekly, day support and resistance levels all drawn in. They are referenced in the description below. I'll just discuss the ones closest to price action. Now the Aussie Yen traded down last week, almost tested 93.03 weekly support, and by the end of the week was holding at 95.15 day resistance. Can that level hold? Or are we moving up to test 95.73 weekly resistance? So at the start of the week, 95.15, does that hold as resistance for a move back down this range? Okay, moving on to the Aussie dollar. I had a very strong advance. Couldn't quite test 68.99 weekly resistance by the end of the week. So into the new week, does 68.18 to 68.05 weekly support area, does that offer support for a further move up to test 68.99 this week? Alright traders, moving on to Euro Yen. Now we declined down from 156.68 daily resistance. We tested up Monday and declined. Will that area hold as resistance for a further decline? Will we come up this week to retest that level, 156.68? Are we going to move through that level, or will it hold as resistance for a further decline this week? So that's a level to watch at the start of the week. Alright traders, moving on to Euro dollar. Had a very strong move up. Does it just need a short-term dip or a longer-term dip to correct this upward move? So at the start of the week, we've moved above 111.85 weekly resistance here. Do we simply get a short-term dip to that level, hold for a move higher to try to move above 112.39 monthly resistance? Now if we need a longer-term dip, watch 110.95, that was monthly resistance. That should now offer support for a further advance. So will we get a short-term dip to 111.85 and hold, or a larger dip back down to 110.95? Alright traders, moving on to the pound yen. It's been having a corrective move down. Last week it did find support eventually at 180.41 monthly support, and it's moving up to test 182.12. Are we going to move above that level, or will it hold? Will that level hold to form a lower top for a further decline this week? That's the level to watch at the start of the week. Does that hold as resistance for a further decline this week? Alright traders, last pair review for the weekend. Pound dollar had a very strong move up, moved above 130 weekly resistance, almost tested 131.68 monthly resistance. So it's overextended. We may well need to have a dip before continuing the advance. So can we pull back to 130, which is now weekly support? Can that level hold for a move up to test? And can we move above 131.68 monthly resistance this week? Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time. Now if you'd like to follow my Forex trading analysis throughout the week, why not subscribe to the ACY Securities live interactive trading feed Telegram channel. Simply contact Nathan.bray at acy.com to get access.